Recently, the Chinese property sector has experienced a sharp correction triggered by the three red lines. However, the latest January home sales figures surprised on the upside. Dennis, can you please provide some background on the property data?
According to the China National Bureau of Statistics, the decline in China new home prices eased for a second month in January 2022. More importantly, the first-tier cities recorded a month-on-month increase for the first time since September 2021. The new home prices in Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen actually recorded an increase of 1%, 0.6%, 0.5%, and 0.5% respectively on a month-on-month basis. There are two major policy adjustments related to the property sectors. Firstly, China top 4 banks lowered mortgage rate in Guangzhou cities by 20 basis points to 5.4% in middle February this year. Secondly, some cities have reduced the down payment ratio for first-time home buyers from 30% to 20%.
How do you see the future of Chinese housing markets? Has it been stabilized or bottomed out?
I tend to believe the housing price in China is slowly heading toward the fundamental value, which means the rental yield is getting closer to the borrowing cost. As the diagram illustrates, the gross rental yield in China is about 2.1%, while the mortgage rate is around 5.4%. One reason to explain the willingness of a home buyer to buy a house under such circumstances is that they believe they can make profit from the property price appreciation. However, I believe that such an expectation is no longer valid. On the other hand, I believe policymakers prefer to see the housing price to come down slowly, and therefore I expect to see more easing policy until housing price reach a healthy level.
As for investment, do we see any opportunities within the property sector?
It is noticeable that the share price of many real estate and property management stocks have corrected by more than 50% from the peak. The old high leverage, high asset turnover model for property developers can no longer survive. On the other hand, property management companies in China are unfortunately either owned by their parents, who are themselves real estate company, or controlled by the same shareholders who own the real estate company. All these stocks require extra cautious when it comes to investment decision making. The HSS China Fund ambitious is to hold the best 25 Chinese companies based on their inner strength, valuations, and relative attractiveness. We will continue to look for opportunities which best fit our investment criteria.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next episode.